Today I am showing you guys my personal favorite of the headdress series for Halloween. This one is this fun little ghost headdress with a solar powered ghost on top. I got all the supplies for this from the dollar store, besides a little bit of gem work that I do at the end. So to start this off, I have taken apart a solar light that is meant for your front yard. That is a ghost, and he's super cute, and I'm slathering him in hot glue and pressing him into the headband. Then I am taking some white Christmas garland and I am securing that to the headband as well as wrapping it around the base of the ghost. So basically, to stabilize the ghost on the headband, I'm going to try to have as many points of contact with glue and or other baubles so that everything kind of becomes one big solid piece and everything's connected to everything else, which I feel like is the key point to some of these smaller headdresses. Is if you want everything to stick together, you kind of glue everything to everything else. I'm now going to use some feather boa. The things I like about garland and feather boa is they have a lot of different fibers that the glue can hook into. So these are great ones for wrapping into headdresses and really getting that glue to sink into all the different fibers and connect everything really well just using hot glue and not needing anything fancy to really, rev things up. I don't need to be doing wire wrapping or be making like warbless structures or anything like that. This keeps the headdresses really simple and really easy and really fast too. My light keeps turning on and off as it decides there is enough sunlight or not enough sunlight, and you'll notice I'm using my scissors to press things down into the glue so that I don't burn my fingers. And again, I'm sinking that glue into as many fibers as possible. I'm now checking for loose spots and adding glue to any loose spots, and then I'm gonna press that in those areas as well. We've got a good start so far. I found these little baubles in the floral section. I'm not even quite sure what they're supposed to be, if they're supposed to be like a flower or a berry, or I don't know. They're always in the floral section. They always have different colors, especially for fall and winter. So I chose the off-white ones and I'm gluing those in, again adding extra points of contact to both the headband and the ghost. And if I have extra little sections that it's touching, I can glue those down too. I'm gluing down a second one. I'm looking for the spot that has the most plastic showing, and that's where I'm adding my glue and then pressing into the headband. I know this video looks like it's going really fast, but I am taking time in between to sit and press each piece in, and that's really important to make sure that you don't have the hot glue pulling away as it's drying. I found these adorable little glitter skulls. They're made out of styrofoam. They're super lightweight, and I'm gonna add a couple of those as well. Again, all of this is stuff that I found at my local dollar store. So we're sitting at, let's see, the skulls, the 3 stems of flowers, the headband, the boa, the ghost. So $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 or $7 total to make this piece, which isn't so bad, right? I found an area of stem that I don't like that's pressing off the back, so I'm going to use a loose feather. Showed you that stem right there, and then I'm just going to glue, if I don't drop it, I'm just going to glue the feather onto that stem to cover it up, because I just don't like having a big stem that goes to nowhere hanging off the back of the piece. And then again, I'm using my scissors to tap that in, make sure I'm getting as much fiber in the glue as possible. As I said earlier in the video, the one thing that's not from the dollar store is a little bit of bedazzle. I decided to bust out the plastic rhinestones and the half pearls. These are ones that I've had forever that I just keep in an organizer. I get almost all of them from like Michael's. Sometimes I'll get them from Hobby Lobby, but mostly Michael's. I do a lot of Michael shopping, so I'm pretty sure that's where these came from, but I've had them in a little tote for forever. And I'm just hot gluing those in place to cover up any areas I don't like and to add a little bit of flair. I added a couple pearls to my ghost because she bougie. I'm finding more points of contact that I want to solidify. Again, more points of contact the better. And glue those all together. Anything that is touching gets glued together. I'm recording this as I'm waiting for breakfast to be finished. I don't know if you can hear my stomach in the background, but I feel like it's the loudest thing ever as I'm doing this voiceover. It's just so embarrassing, but I guess that's kind of my MO. It's just super embarrassing all the time. Adding a couple more gems until I'm happy with the whole piece. I don't know, I just feel like this would be so much fun to wear to like Halloween masquerade or something of that variety, and I think the little light on top is a really cute touch. It's not too cheesy, but just